Standard 3, Subject Mathematics, Topic Fractions, Workbook pages 103 and 104. Children, let us revise what we have learnt in the previous class. This is one whole. This one circle is divided into two equal parts. So we call it as half, a half. Here one circle is divided into four equal parts. Out of that only one part is shaded. So it is a quarter. Here one circle is divided into four equal parts, and in that 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. That means it is 3/4. The picture shows a collection of 8 balls. Now we divide the collection of 8 balls into 2 equal parts. Each part is a half of the collection of 8 balls. There are 4 balls in each part. Here children, 8 balls are divided into half. Half of 8 is, when you draw a line in the center, you get 4 this side and 4 the other side. Okay, so half of 8 is 4. In this picture, a collection of 8 balls has been divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is a quarter of a collection. Each quarter contains 2 balls. When a half of a collection is halved in again, what do we get? We get a quarter. Here children, 8 balls are divided into 4 equal parts. When we divide the 8 balls into 4 equal parts, we get 2 balls in 1/4. A quarter we get 2 balls. 3/4. A half and a quarter together make 3/4. Hence, a quarter and a half of a collection together make 3/4 of that collection. Here children, we have 8 balls. In this, 1/2 and 1/4 together will give us 3/4. The picture shows a picture of 3/4 of a collection of 8 balls. When a quarter is taken away from the whole, we get 3/4 part. When 3/4 of a collection are brought together, what is the name of the part we get? We get 3/4. Here children, here we have got balls. Here we have 12 balls. And this 12 balls we have to divide it into half. Let us do that now. When you draw a line in the center, the 12 balls are equally divided. This side there are 6 balls and this side there are 6 balls. So this shows half of the whole. Now here children, again we have 12 balls, and in these 12 balls we have to show a quarter. So let us draw a line. This is a quarter. Again this is also a quarter. So we divide it into 4 equal parts. Out of that, one part is a quarter. That is, 3 balls contain 1/4. Now here again we have 12 balls. Now we have to divide the 12 balls into 3/4. So here 1, 2, 3. 3/4. This 1/4 we leave it. So there are 9 balls in 3/4. Now let us solve these questions. Show a half of this collection. Children, there are 8 diamond shapes in here, and we have to show half of these 8. So when we divide them equally into 2 parts, we get 1/2. Then there are 4 diamonds. These 4 diamonds become 1/2 and these 4 diamonds become another half. So to show half of this collection, we draw 4 diamonds. Show 3/4 of the collection shown below. Here we have 8 triangles. Now these 8 triangles we have to divide them into 3/4. That is, first we divide them into 4 equal parts, then we make 3/4 of that. So here there are 8 triangles. To make 3/4, we draw 6 triangles. 6 triangles will give us 3 quarters. Show a half of the collection given below. Here children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 circles are there. Now here you have to show half of the collection. Half of 14 is 7. So we draw 7 circles. Show a quarter of the collection given below. Color the remaining part and say what part of the whole collection it is. Now children, here we have 6 shapes. Okay, 6 shapes are given. Now here we have to show a quarter of the collection. We have 16, not 6. We have 16 shapes here. In each line we have 4. Okay, like that we have 4 lines. Okay, and now here first we have to show a quarter of the collection. To show a quarter of the collection, first we show 4 images. We have to draw 4. If we draw 4 image pictures, we get quarter. Now color the remaining part and say what part of the collection. We have to color the remaining part. So we color the remaining part. This 4 is a quarter. These are the remaining parts, which is 3 quarters. We call it as 3 quarters.
And if you're enjoying this video, then please subscribe.
Solve the following problems. 1. Anand is 8 years old today. Shruti is half as old as Anand. Then how old is Shruti? Shruti's age is half the age of Anand. Means Shruti's age is what? That is what we have to find out here, children. Shruti's age is half of 8 years because her age is half of Anand's age and Anand's age is 8 years. So half of 8 years is 4 years. So Shruti's age is 4 years. 2. Sonali has a cloth of length 10 meters. She gave half of it to Ramu. What length of the cloth she have left? How much did she give to Ramu? Half of 10 meter of cloth means half of 10 is 5 meters. So Sonali is left with 5 meters of cloth. She gave 5 meters cloth to Ramu. Half of 10 is 5. Anaga had 100 rupees. If she gave a quarter of that amount to her brother, what is the amount of money she gave him? Quarter of 100 rupees is 25 rupees. So Anaga gave rupees 25 to her brother. A rope has a length of 16 meters. If a 3/4 of length is to be cut off, what length should be marked off from one end? 3/4 is equal to a half, and that is a half plus a quarter. That is equal to half of 16 meter is 8 meter. Quarter of 16 meter is 4 meter. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 meter. So 12 meter should be marked off from one end. It takes 6 hours to travel from Solapur to Nanded. It takes half that time to reach Latur from Solapur. How long does it take to travel from Solapur to Latur? Solapur to Latur, it takes half of 6 hours. Half of 6 hours is 3 hours. So it will take 3 hours to travel from Solapur to Latur. How much is each of the following? 1. Half of a 24 meters length of cloth. Half of 24 meter is 12 meters. 2. A quarter part of rupees 80. Quarter of rupees 80 is rupees 20. 3. 3/4 of 40 kilograms of sugar. 3/4 of 40 is equal to 30 kilograms. 4. A quarter of 12 liter of kerosene. A quarter of 12 liter is 3 liters. 5. Half of 4 hours 40 minutes. Half of 4 hours 40 minutes is 2 hours 20 minutes. 3/4 of 60. Rupees 45 is 3/4 of 60. With this, we complete the topic fractions. Solve the exercise given in